Today I'm gonna do unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton handbag. Please guys, stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Oksana and today I'm gonna do unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton handbag. I've been eyeing this handbag for a very long time, and recently I did video Louis Vuitton handbag obsession. I'm thinking which one the next handbag is going to be into my collection, and those all handbags from my obsession were 99.99% leather, from Louis Vuitton leather. And I said, like, lately I'm really inspired to buy something from Louis Vuitton in leather, not in canvas, because I have so much canvas right now in my collection and I wanna, like, you know, extend my collection. So let's see what I purchased. Will I surprise you? Did I choose something from my, you know, obsession, or I purchased totally different? So let's just open together. And this is obviously from the website, because when I purchased in this one, the stores were not open yet. So ta-da! So, and on the website, when you usually buy from the website, they just kind of give you the web receipt. It just shows a gift receipt, and into email you receive the actual receipt with the money payments and the cost of the item. So let's just see what I got. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, and here is Pochette Metis in Empreinte Leather, and this is new color, and they call this color Tourterelle. I hope I pronounce it correctly. So, and this is the handbag, and here is the handbag, and the color is so beautiful. Tourterelle from French, translation to English, is actually dove gray, and this is true kind of grigio color. It's not beige, it's not really gray, it's kind of dove gray. Absolutely gorgeous color, and I love Empreinte Leather. I used to have one handbag from Louis Vuitton in Empreinte Leather, and I love that handbag in black color, but the lock on that handbag found to be defective, and I exchanged it with something else. And since I exchanged that handbag, I want to add something to my collection in Empreinte Leather. And I was kind of eyeing a couple of large handbags, but at the end of the day, I know I use the large handbags, but not as much. Usually I like to use medium-sized handbag, not even mini, not very large, some kind of medium-sized handbags, which is Pochette Metis, a perfect medium-sized handbag. And that's what I got for myself. That's what I got for myself. And do you think I purchased before the price increase? I was actually, the night before the price increased, I once again browse all Louis Vuitton website and thinking which one handbag should I buy it, and I was almost like put it in my you know, the cart, but then I'm like, okay, let me think a little bit more. And the next morning when I checked the price already $90 more in Canadian, and I said, okay, you know what, I'm not waiting any longer. I'm gonna buy it right now. Absolutely love this handbag. So let me show you what's inside. Obviously, so I have a booklet right there, then there is a strap, then it's tagged, which is says cowhide leather, and this is the ID if you might be potentially want to buy it from the website or talk to your SA. That's the ID. There you go, guys. This handbag made in USA, and it looks like it came directly from the factory, because everything is brand new. It smells like, you know, the factory smell. The leather and everything is like absolutely perfect, absolutely perfect. So let me just try to put this strap together. I can see that it's completely brand new, that nobody even, like, you know, size it yet. So it's straight from the factory, seems to me, because I know that when I was checking the UPS where this item coming from, the item is actually coming from the United States. So let's just do, and the strap is extremely soft because my Pochette Metis in reverse monogram, and the strap in the reverse monogram is very uncomfortable, and I purchased extra strap for my Pochette Metis in reverse, but this strap is very comfortable. So there is a couple of clasps over here. Okay, so that's the clasps, and obviously on each clasp it says Louis Vuitton. I hope it's focusing right there. So Louis Vuitton. So right there, a little bit closer again. So those the clasps. So that's the strap and the leather, and oh my gosh, this leather is so beautiful, guys. I'm gonna come right now a little bit closer to the camera and show to you this handbag a little bit closer. So there you go. That's the color of the leather. As I said, is Tourterelle, if I pronounce it correctly. That's how it's on the website. I actually even have to Google it how to pronounce it. So there you go. Comparison with the difference between the Empreinte Leather and the reverse monogram. So the reverse monogram doesn't have this little tag, and on Empreinte Leather they do have it. It's really beautiful. On the inside is just a grain cowhide leather, and then fabric lining, and it's obviously kind of grayish matching fabric lining inside. This handbag is so beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I wanted to have it for a very long time, and finally I got it. I want to ask you questions, guys. What do you think of made in USA handbags? Because I saw some other YouTubers and they're pretty much, oh, if Louis Vuitton made in USA, I don't even want to buy it at all. But I don't have any objection to made in USA. Obviously, if it's made in France, it's like a cherry on top, because Louis Vuitton also does their handbags in Spain, in Italy, and now in United States. Of course, every of us, we want to get handbag made in France, but I have no objection to a handbag made in USA. I want to know your opinion. What do you think of the Louis Vuitton handbags made in USA? So let me try a few items inside. Let's see if it fits, what fits inside. What I love about Pochette Metis is that I don't have to downsize at all, and right now I'm gonna try some of my items inside this handbag and show for you. So first and most, I always put my EpiPen. Then on the back I'm gonna put my Louis Vuitton zippy coin. Then I'm gonna put my Chanel key holder. In the middle compartment, I'm gonna put my Pochette Metis. Then I'm gonna put my earbuds. On top, I'm gonna put my glasses. So that's what you can see. And then in front pocket, I can put my cell phone, and obviously it can fit even more if I need to put another pair of sunglasses, etc. So it fits everything perfectly, and that's the beauty of Pochette Metis. There you go, guys. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. Have no regrets of buying it, and I look forward using this handbag whole summer, because what I love about this color, I think it's such a versatile color. It can go with anything. It's really like a chameleon. This color like chameleon. I can put any additional strap, I can put any additional twilly, and it's gonna look totally different. So look forward using this handbag. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to place your questions and comments. The first time I saw this handbag, I saw on Yvette, or she has a YouTube channel, Me Like It Too, or she has also Instagram, Me Like It Too, and she tried this handbag in Louis Vuitton, and I was like, oh my gosh, what kind of color is that? And she goes even on Instagram, what do you think, guys? What kind of color is that? And I was like, it's grigio. And she will start laughing, and it's really grigio, because there is a gray and beige color together in this handbag. Absolutely love it. Look forward to using this handbag for many years to come. Please put your comments below if you like it or dislike it. I want to know your opinion 100%. Thank you very much guys for watching. I hope to see you again on my channel, and I guess until our next meeting, bye bye.